And now we are install the battery for the Fiido D11. This is the mileage, so we can long press. So this is 25, and don't be surprised by 25 because last time in my last video is 22 kilometers, but you know, after that test I was way too tired, so I went to home directly, and the next day I took the bike to my office. There are a couple of kilometers. As in my previous video, I scratched my 360 camera. The footage here got some smudges. Actually, that's from the broken side. So yeah, it's normal. The battery is still full. It's still full. I swear to God, I didn't charge at all. That's it. Let's just test it. So this is Gire. He's riding G2 Pro. The battery is full tested. It's full charged as well. We're gonna test the range of G2 Pro as well. Let's go, Gire! As my 360 camera is still under repairing, I don't have a camera to record myself riding the Fiido D11 this time. Yeah, what a pity. Let's check the total odometer, 29. We're gonna stop here to grab something to eat. That's it. All right, we finished. Let's go. We're in the wrong way. Should be in this way, but we're here. What's the odometer? 34. Okay, anyway, we have to go back. Seems like the battery is endless, and all the time in this video tester too, I still put the lowest system mode, so I'm gonna adjust it to 2 and see what's going on. Finally, 1/4 of the juice finally gone, so the total, the odometer is 43 kilometers. Yes, I finally reached 48 kilometers. For those who are wondering what's the max speed I can get in mode 2, here I can get 35 kilometers per hour on flat ground. It's raining now, but luckily the weather is getting better. Yes, after almost 3 hours of riding, we finally reached the most beautiful scenic spot here in my city, Sinzen Bay Park. But again, don't get overexcited about it because... Okay, it's crashed. Should be here. Okay. Hey, my little John, how are you? Okay. It's crashed. Seems... Because this is easy to be fixed. Yes, I fixed it right on the spot. Nothing is serious. After Gary helped shooting some details of the Fiido D11, you'll see that in my final review video on Geekbang channel very soon. Make sure to subscribe. I can finally have a chance to enjoy the warm breeze of the sea. But seems I'm not quite enjoying it with this sad face. That's because you have no idea how many kilometers I have ridden today. Remember how many when we get started? 25 kilometers, right? So I'm riding straight at 33 kilometers. I cannot even feel my butt. Besides, the weather is not that great. Gary was intention to do a beautiful sunset time-lapse video here, but we get this. Anyway, it's getting dark. We have to get back to the office. On the way back, Gary is taking over the bike while I enjoy the smooth riding of the Kugoo G2 Pro. And now we have 61 total mileage. Oh yes! And now we adjusted the mode to 3, the moped mode to 3, because Gary is really tired now, you know. So we just we use moped 3, okay. And the total odometer is 69 kilometers, and still 2 battery left, you know. and the tire is almost deflated.
Luckily, there is a nearby scooter shop that lets us get a free air pumping. Huge thanks to this amazing shop! Just as we thought we can get back to the office smoothly, after all, it's only 6 kilometers away according to the map. However, an unexpected thing happened. The Kugoo G2 Pro was out of battery. Funny thing is, it still shows the full battery, but to be honest, I'm still surprised by the battery life of the G2 Pro. It at least has 45 km range according to our test. And you know, most of the time we're using the fastest mode on the Kugoo G2 Pro. A good thing about it is even though the battery is dead, the lights and the bell is still working, as you can see. And back to the Fiido D11. Guess what's the total mileage? Yes, 77 kilometers, and it still has 1 bar of battery left. Actually later it turned into 2 bars when we go back to the office.
We have to take a taxi.
In this 77 kilometers mileage, there are about 44 kilometers in mobile mode 1, 25 kilometers in mobile mode 2, and about 80 kilometers in mode 3. Amazing, isn't it?
Go back to office. Oh, really tired, man. 72 and now we got 2 batteries back. So 77, that's the video test 2, no, test video 2. Wow, I was really amazed, impressed. So I'm gonna turn off. Gary, can you take the battery out? 帮我们把电池给拿出来，然后我收起来。We're gonna take the battery off. 拔出来。Take the battery off, and yeah, I will store away. Okay, turn off. Thank you, Gary. That's the guy. Yeah, and put away the battery. Yes. 这插里面吧，里面，去插里面。对。不用充吗？不用充，不充。我就是用剩下的电再去骑。Yes, that's it. We're gonna store here, just to prevent colleagues, from riding the bike. So, huge thanks to my buddy Gary. You need to subscribe to his channel, YouTube channel, Bilibili channel. Okay, I'm really tired. I gotta get home and get a shower and take a good sleep. See you next time. Bye bye, Gary. See you. Bye bye.